Hey friends, this week we're doing space, and so I wanted to just do a little tutorial of how to make your own rocket ship with astronauts. And this is a jumpy rocket ship, so when you are done building, you will be able to blast off in your very own rocket ship. So for this project, the only thing that is not included that you will need is some tape and some markers or paint or crayons that you want to use to decorate your rocket ship with. Okay, let's get started. So in your kit, you're going to find the top of your rocket. You're going to find the launch pad. You're going to find the rudders of your spaceship. You're going to find astronaut stickers, an elastic band, and 2 metal fasteners. So what we're going to want to do is take our metal fastener and put it through the hole in your cup, like that. Open the inside of your cup, and you're just going to bend these flat. Good. And you're going to take your elastic band and just hook it on the outside of your fastener like that. Just like that. You can put it on there and then close your fastener too. So same with this side. We can actually just grab the elastic band with our fastener first, put our fastener through the hole. On the inside of the cup, we just open that fastener up and make it flat up against the side. Perfect. Now you're going to want to get your astronauts, and you're going to want to stick them onto your cup. Got a zebra astronaut on this side, and I've got a bear astronaut on that side. And then you're going to take some tape, and on your rudder pieces, you'll see that one side is flat and one side is curved. And then at the top, you're going to see this point right here, and I just want you to bend that down. So it'll look like that. There'll just be a little flat. And that's where you can put your glue, or if you're using tape, that's where you would put your tape on. So it would go on your ship like this, with the base down and the curved part there, and then you would put your piece of tape right here. I'm just going to grab my tape. And so you just take a piece of tape, and you can put it on top of there, and then put it on the side of your cup. I like to use where I had the fastener as my guide, so I know it's even across the cup. And then on the back side, you just want to fold it towards you and put a piece of tape on the back side too. Just like that. Or you can use glue just on that flap. Okay, and now the other side. Again, we'll make sure that the flat side is down and the curved side is up. And we'll put this on here and put our piece of tape on top. There we go. And then we'll fold it over and add another piece on the front. And there you have your rocket ship. And so friends, you can, before you even get to the astronaut step, you can go ahead and color it or paint it so it will be how you want it to be. You can make cool designs on the top, the sides, wherever you like. You can make your astronauts have a window they're looking out of. And now here comes the fun part. So once you've got it the way you want it to look, your rudders are on, your astronauts are in, your elastic band is ready to go, you're going to take your launch pad and put it down in front of you. You're going to take your cup, use 2 hands, and push down as hard as you can to the very bottom, and let go. And there you have a super jumpy rocket. Let's go one more time. Thanks for watching.